Hello my dears, hope that you are doing amazing. Welcome to my channel about Belarus. I have some other interesting topics to discuss with you, and this video is about village life, about houses in a village. Still sharing with you my vacations which I spent in August. Enjoy this video till the end, and I'm making new videos quite useful in a coming week. Stay tuned, it will be interesting. I can't even tell you how many wonderful moments I have here in this beautiful place on the bank of this lake. I'm really inspired by your comments that I have to continue my vlogging from this, I don't know, ordinary village that you want to see more and so on. Thank you guys. It's so important to me. I will do it, of course, because I feel so relaxed and so inspired by you. So I definitely will keep moving forward. I will show you my view. No one is here. In this video, I also want to answer your questions about the level of living here in a village. But you know that people here, they have everything. I mean, they have food and everything like that. So they don't need even money sometimes, only to buy any vehicles for their gardens and so on. And I'm so impressed that how people are opened in a village, because if you need something and you want to buy it, like you want to buy fish or eggs and so on, for example, our hosts, they give everything for free for us. Of course I pay for it, because this is the respect to their efforts, this is the respect to their activities and care about us. So it is important to me to pay for it. But if you are in a village, if you meet with locals, be ready that they will not ask for money, because they appreciate communication, and this is so common for all Belarusians in the areas which I visited, by the way. Also, I want to answer a few of your questions. One is about salaries of workers at some guest houses. For example, my friends Oksana and Vyacheslav, they have a goat farm, and they have some people who work for them. I asked for the salary, and this is something in between 20 from 20 up to 30 Belarusian rubles per day. Of course, food and a bed is provided for workers, so they don't spend their money for it. But just for you to imagine that 20 Belarusian rubles, it is something less than 10 euro per day. So this is the salary of people who work in this area. So it's a little, it is really not a lot, but nevertheless people can survive with this money. The village helps a lot. They're hardworking people. They will never, I wish them prosperity and opportunity to work. Another quite popular question is about property and houses here in this area, in this village. First of all, guys, I have to remind you that this place is located in 220 kilometers away from Minsk, so it takes me 3 hours well, 2 hours and a half, maximum 3 hours by car to get here. It's really awesome. It's and it is developing in terms of tourism. It is not a dying village, because in many areas of Belarus we have dead villages. People escape from this area, so this area is developing. It is getting more and more popular every year. It means that houses will be more expensive, of course, and people, they do not want to sell them. They use them for houses for their families. They come for weekends from Minsk, from Polotsk, Novopolotsk, from other areas. So this area is popular means expensive. I cannot find any cheap houses a house here on the first line. As I said, there are few abandoned houses with the price something like 4 or 5 thousand US dollars, for nothing, just for a land, because it will be collapsed in the moment you touch it. So it's not the area which I can find something for you to buy. Of course, it's a good idea to come and live here. I have this idea as well. Now I just met with one local guy who is building a house on the bank of this lake, and of course he's not planning to sell it because he will rent it for people and he will do a kind of a business here, good business. I hope that it will be a good business for him. But if you need any house in Vitebsk region or somewhere closer to Minsk, you can contact me. I can find another place, good place for living, or I don't know, for documents as well. But if you wish to come in this area and if you want to know about this area more, let me know, and it will be a pleasure for me to share my knowledge with you. Ask me questions about Belarus. Subscribe to my channel, support me with your words, with likes, comments. It means a lot to me. You see that it inspires me, and I will show you more beautiful places in Belarus. See you in my next videos, guys. Stay on the channel.